Up until now, we've talked about the fundamentals, wheel anatomy, types of damage, and safety. Now it's time to roll up our sleeves and start fixing some bend repairs. In this lesson, I'll introduce you to the wheel straightening, what it is, why it's needed, and the principles behind doing it safely and effectively. What is wheel straightening? Wheel straightening is the process of restoring a bent or warped wheel back into its original round shape. It's most commonly needed when a wheel has hit a pothole, a curb, or road hazards. A bent wheel can cause vibrations in the steering wheel, uneven tire wear, poor handling, and unsafe driving conditions. When is straightening possible? Not every wheel can be straightened. Safe candidates include mild to moderate bends on the barrel or the lip, wheels without severe cracks, flat spots, or structural damage. If damage compromises the integrity of the wheel, replacement is the only safe option. Types of equipment for straightening. You're going to need a hydraulic straightening machine. This applies controlled pressure to bend the wheel back into shape. You need heat-assisted straightening. In some cases, controlled heat will make the process safer and more precise. You're going to need a dial indicator and measuring tools. This confirms the trueness and tolerances after the repair. Inspect wheels for bends, cracks, or hidden damage. Mount the wheel securely on the straightening machine. Apply controlled hydraulic pressure to push bends back into alignment. Measure the runout, the wobble, you can say, until within safe tolerances. The final test is a spin check, then a balance, just so you know that it's safe to put on your vehicle. Safety reminders. Always wear your PPE. Flying debris is possible during straightening. Use controlled force only. Overpressuring can crack the wheel. Never attempt straightening on wheels with compromised structures. Never repair unsafe wheels. Pro tip, think of wheel straightening as surgery. Think of wheel straightening as surgery, not brute force. The goal is precision, patience, and accuracy, not rushing the job. Key takeaways. Wheel straightening restores roundness to bent wheels. Only safe candidates should be straightened. Cracks and severe damage are deal breakers. The process involves inspection, mounting, hydraulic correction, and runout testing. Safety and precision always come first. This is just the introduction to wheel straightening. In the next lesson, we'll go more into depth on the tools and equipment used during the wheel straightening process, from hydraulic presses to the dial gauges, and I'll show you how each one of these works.